This is Bruno Luna from Guadalajara, and I know that you're looking for a lot of videos and profiles, but I'll try to make this special for you. So, I'm currently working for a bank, taking payments, making sure that customers know about their due dates, explaining interest, things like that. And I see on Plumbing Unlimited, a company that is growing, that is starting, that is making a job that it used to be done on a whole different way. Well, now it's different because yellow pages are a thing of the past. Now you need to be on social media, you probably need to dance for TikTok. Hey, business are now like that. Nowadays, people need to be part of a team. So here comes to the question, why should I be a good candidate? Well, I think I can offer an holistic way to approach to a team, to offer different things, to look for the future, to understand problems that could be having the way to go over them and offer solutions for the future. But you know what? You have there my resume. You can ask me some questions, and if we are going to work together, I hope that this is just like a really, really nice start. So see you.